Hello, my name is Efren Solis, Training Manager with Bishop Lifting Products. Today, we're going to discuss the proper inspection of master links and subassemblies. B30.26 4.8.1 Initial Inspection. Prior to use, all new, altered, modified, or repaired links, rings, and swivels shall be inspected by a designated person to verify compliance with the applicable provisions of this chapter. Written records are not required. B30.26 4.8.2 Frequent Inspection. A visual inspection shall be performed by the user or other designated person each shift before the link, rings, and swivels are used. Rigging hardware in semi-permanent or inaccessible locations where frequent inspections are not feasible shall have periodic inspections performed. B. Conditions such as those listed in paragraph 26 4.84 or any other condition that may result in a hazard shall cause the hardware to be removed from service. Links, rings, and swivels shall not be returned to service until approved by a qualified person. Written records are not required. B30.26 4.8.3 Periodic Inspection. A. A complete inspection of the links, rings, and swivels shall be performed by a designated person. The hardware shall be examined for conditions such as those listed in paragraph 26 4.8.4 and a determination made as to whether they constitute a hazard. Periodic inspection frequency. Periodic inspection intervals shall not exceed 1 year. The frequency of periodic inspection should be based on A. Frequency of use, B. Severity of service conditions, C. Nature of lifting or load handling activities, D. Experience gained on the service life of hardware used in similar circumstances. 2. Guidelines for the time intervals are A. Normal service yearly, B. Severe service monthly to quarterly, C. Special service as recommended by a qualified person. Written records are not required. B30.26 4.8.4 Removal Criteria. Links, rings, and swivels shall be removed from service if conditions such as the following are present and shall only be returned to service when approved by a qualified person. A. Missing or illegible identification. B. Indications of heat damage, including weld splatter or arc strikes. C. Excessive pitting or corrosion. D. Bent, twisted, distorted, stretched, elongated, cracked, or broken load-bearing components. E. Excessive nicks or gouges. F. A 10% reduction of the original or catalog dimension at any point. G. Evidence of unauthorized welding or modifications. H. For swivels, the lack of the ability to freely rotate when not loaded. I. For swivels, loose or missing nuts, bolts, cotter pins, snap rings, or other fasteners and retaining devices. J. Other conditions, including visible damage that causes doubt as to the continued use. Bishop Lifting Training Department would like to thank you for your attention to this critical inspection issue. If you have any questions or additional needs, please feel free to contact me, Efren Solis, Bishop Lifting Training Manager, at 713-674-2266. Thank you for your time.